Alright guys, let's try the acceleration test here. So I've got SAO dash installed and custom firmware, so it can go up to 40 km/h on full charge. So let's see how fast it will go now from 0 to 30. Okay, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. I set the maximum speed here, 35, and all the characteristics to boost the scooter to ride faster. Okay, I have the straight line here. So let's do this test one more time. All right, let's make the speed test. 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. It's the maximum now. Okay, one more time, let's go. 20, 30, 33, 34, 35. Alright, you just saw the maximum speed here. I've got to reach 35, but on full charge it can go up to 40. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.